Hello, Super Mommies. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm again with few worksheets on chapter plants, which belongs to subject science. For common age group of 5 to 7 years old, you can include these colorful worksheets for your children, as the more fun fact is children love solving colorful worksheets, so you can add these for the daily practice. So let's begin the chapter. So the first thing of the plant chapter is, here I have included a worksheet, parts of plant. Any plant you can draw, precising the size of the plant, and we can name it as, this is the leaf. You can show these are buds, these are flowers, yellow, this is a fruit, this is a stem, green stem, these are roots. Now the second question includes types of plants. You can give like this: H des R des S H E R B S, so they will solve accordingly. Shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, types of plants. Now tick the correct answer. First question is, the plant with weak stem is pumpkin, hibiscus or marigold. Obviously pumpkin is the weakest. Which has soft and green stem? Mango tree, spinach or rose? Soft and green stem, spinach have. Which is a tree having woody stem? Neem, coconut, mango, all of this. Obviously all of these have woody stem, thick stem. Now, which grow along the ground means along the ground which plant grows? Watermelon, rose plant or grapevine? Watermelon grows along the ground because it's a creeper. Rose plant doesn't grow along the ground. There is a climber, grapevine. Which of the following plants has thin woody stem growing closely to ground? Rose, cotton, tulsi, all of this. So all of these would be the answer. Cross the odd one out. Now few plant names I have written. Accordingly they have to find the odd one out. Neem, pea, bean, money plant. Okay, now all of these are pea, bean, money plant are climbers and neem is a tree. So neem is the odd one out. Banyan tree, mango tree, water lily, coconut tree. See, as these all are tree, in question it has been not been mentioned, but banyan is a tree, mango is a tree and coconut is a tree. So water lily is the odd one out. Now next question, watermelon, pumpkin, bitter gourd. Which one is the odd one out? Bitter gourd, because watermelon and pumpkin are the creepers and bitter gourd is a climber. Grapevine, bitter gourd are the climbers. Cucumber, bitter gourd, muskmelon. Now cucumber is a climber, bitter gourd is also a climber and muskmelon is a creeper. So muskmelon would be the odd one out. Next question, fill in the blanks. Dash are very small plants having soft green and weak stem, herb or shrub. So obviously they would be herbs. Dash are small plant with thin and woody stem. Herbs are shrubs. Shrubs have woody stem. Dash are strong, thick and woody stem. Tree, trunk. Dash are, so trunks. Trunks are thick, strong and woody stem. Dash have thin, long and weak stem. They need support to grow. Creepers or climbers? Climbers need support to grow. They climb along a support which is given to them. Now next question is, rearrange and match. URFIT. FRUIT and they will match this one. Okay. LFOWER. Now it will be FLOWER, flower. OTROS, roots, match it. ESTM, stem, this one is the stem. ELFA, LEAF, this one is the leaf. Now state true or false. Accordingly they have to solve the true or false. What do plants need to grow? Plants are dash. Plants are living things or non-living things? They are obviously living things because they need water, sunlight, air to grow. That's why they are living things. They grow. Match the following: sun, soil, air, and water. Match the following. Now fill in the blanks. Plant uses dash from the sun. They uses light from the sun. Sun gives light. So you can draw like this a diagram and make them understand that from soil the plant takes water from the soil, light from the sun, and carbon dioxide from the air during daytime, and the leaf makes its own food. Now take the correct choice. We get paper from this tree. We get paper from bamboo tree. We get cotton from dash, cotton tree. These are used as medicines: neem and cotton, tulsi and neem, tulsi and gum. So tulsi and neem would be the answer. This plant is used to cure stomach ache. Mint, bamboo, neem. Now stomach ache is cured by mint plant. This is used to cure toothache. Clove, mint or turmeric. Clove, it's a spice. Now next question. We get this by crushing the seeds of mustard. We get, obviously oil, we get mustard oil. Animals depends on plants for their food, shelter, or both A and B. Animals depends on plant for both. Okay, yes or no? Yes. We get bat using teak wood, willow wood, or none of these. Willow wood. We get spices from plant: black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom. All of these. Okay, we get all of these. We get oil from seed and plant: sunflower, groundnut, coconut, mustard, all of these. So all of these gives us oil. So all of this would be the answer. We get fibers from dash and dash: cotton and coffee, cotton and jute, jute and sugar. It would be cotton and jute. Now tea, coffee, sugar and sugar comes from dash: plant, animal, or both. So it comes from plant. Now this you can add, write the names of food items under correct part of plant: mango, watermelon, sugarcane, spinach, peas, cauliflower, mint, potato, beetroot, carrot, corn. So accordingly you have to fill up. Now foods we get from plant. What food we get from plant? Match it and color it. So here I have included roots, fruits, stem, leaves, flowers. So fennel, tomatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, beetroot, spinach, carrot, lettuce, brinjal. Accordingly you have to color and they have to match the following. Now circle the odd one out. Mango, coffee, strawberry, orange. You have to cross the odd one out. Give two names of cereals: pulses, medical plant, fiber, wood giving tree, edible seed, edible flower, edible root. So all these worksheets you can include for day-to-day practice of science chapter plant. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel because the next video is about animals, domestic animals, where I will be solving more worksheets. Thank you for watching the video.